What's up, guys? Sorry, I'm really not good with the intros of this. I don't know when the recording starts, but I think it already started. This is the Game 7, basically the San Antonio series preview. San Antonio and OKC Western Conference Finals. We'll talk about the whole thing, and then we're gonna go with who we think wins Game 7 because this has been a really good series. That's all it
Mhm.
is. San
Yes.
Antonio wins game one, OKC wins game two and three, San Antonio wins four, OKC wins game five, then San Antonio blisters them in game six. We're going to game seven, man. Which is probably why I'm pretty sad Nico loves game seven. So, brother, I know you're a San Antonio Spurs fan. Put that over there. What do you think
Mhm.
so far about the series while I order myself some food?
Bro, we would have been robbed if hindi ito yung dalawang team na nagharap sa conference finals. You know, any other combination, even as a Lakers, even as someone who supports my Pookie Bear, let's say it would have been Spurs Lakers. We would have been robbed because the Spurs would have whooped the Lakers for sure. Um, if it was
You don't think DeAndre Ayton? You
Spurs.
don't think DeAndre Ayton can defend Wemby?
No, no way. I mean, bro, what do you mean? He probably
It's a
can't even
joke.
defend Jackson Hayes sa practice. If it would have been Nuggets and Timberwolves, sorry, not Nuggets Timberwolves. OKC Timberwolves, we would have been robbed too because that series would have been boring. Would have ended in 5 or 4. So this is perfect, and this sets up a long-term rivalry in the West because these two teams are now going away. This feels like mid 2000s Lakers Spurs or mid 2000s Mavericks Spurs or Suns Spurs. Parang ganun yung aura na binibigay niya sa akin. SGA, he's good. And I don't know why he has to do the things he has done. Pero he's good as a basketball player alone. So stop with all those flops, man. You have a target on your back. Literally, Carter Bryant
Grabe yung
will
ginawa ni Carter Bryant kanina, bro.
yeah,
I was surprised.
Carter Bryant will spare nothing pagdating sa'yo. He's gonna be wild and get. I don't care. I don't think Carter Bryant cares if he gets ejected or not in Game 7. He's gonna
But
do he's gonna do whatever he's told to do kay SJ in game number 7 to distract him. So Victor Wembanyama has been excellent outside of game 5 na super passive niya. Game 6 he was excellent. If he's hitting his threes, you have to say goodbye. And we can say that a lot of superstars like LeBron. And he's hitting his threes, goodbye. But Victor is different. Victor is accurate when he hits his three-pointers. So there's that. And here's my thing, man. I think
uh-oh.
Darren Fox will have a big game 7.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think
We'll go to
he
that
will have
later.
a
We'll
big
go to
game
it
7.
later,
No, no,
man.
I know. I'm just saying na about this series. On the OKC side, I don't know where was this three-point shooting 5, 6 years ago, but Alex Caruso, I don't know you anymore. I don't know you anymore. What is
Bro,
happening?
I'm
Every
a
shot he
fan.
takes.
I love the AC. I love AC. But bro,
Yeah.
I was a little I'm not gonna pretend I wasn't hurt by what he was doing to the Lakers in the
Yeah,
last
I
series.
know.
Bro,
I know.
he was sticking his tongue out. He was trash talking everybody. Like, man, that
Even
hurts
Bron, di
me.
ba?
Bro, that hurts me. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Like, you don't gotta do that to me, bro.
I know, I know, I know.
But yeah, man. Um, same page. Victor Wembanyama will do for me Victor Wembanyama things. May days that he looks human for some reason. There are days where Hartenstein and Holmgren's defense makes Wemby look human. Pero may mga days talaga na you can't stop him. It doesn't look like you can stop him in the slightest, man. Um
Yeah.
Same goes for SGA. There are days where he looks inhuman also. He can't miss a shot. But then there are days where he looks absolutely human. Like I forgot which game it was. Maybe game 4? I think it was game 4. I'm not super sure. But yeah, I don't know who it comes down to. Kasi sadly for OKC, you're really not healthy. Let's make that honest. Which is
J-Dub didn't
kind of
look good.
crazy to me na hindi kayo healthy kasi ganun kayo kagaling pa rin. Like, at that point, I think you just know it's a system thing kung lahat kaya talaga.
Mhm.
There's no J-Dub, no AJ Mitchell,
No,
who I'm a
J-Dub
fan.
played kanina but he did not look good.
Ah, really? What is
Yeah,
that? What is that?
I can't remember but he did not look good kanina talaga. Bro, alam mong hindi okay si J-Dub when they were targeting him on defense. Like anyone who gets the ball na binabatay ni J-Dub attacks. Kasi malamig na malamig siya eh. He hasn't played since game 1. So, you do know na meron pa rin siyang iniinda and it's a hamstring pull.
Bro, you
It
can't
is a
force
hamstring pull.
hamstrings talaga.
Yeah.
Yan yung thing. Right, we talked about it. I don't know why I get why they might be forcing it naman. Kasi chance for the playoffs, right? And the Knicks, I will say, I know we're not talking about the Knicks, but I will say I did not expect the Knicks at all in the finals.
There was
Not.
someone who said the Knicks are going
Didn't
to the
you say the
finals.
Sixers were gonna
I
beat the
did.
Knicks?
No, I mean, heading into the season, I think we did an NBA
Did we
video
do it?
heading into the
It's been a
season.
while, man. I don't know. I say things.
I've been big
Uh,
in the Knicks. I always love the Knicks. But yeah, go ahead.
But man, I don't know who it goes towards in this series. Another thing I want to add, I laughed a while ago about that what Carter Bryant did to SGA, but I feel like that might be a little unsafe, man. Like we also bro we take an absolute dump on on Lou Dort, right? Whenever he does shit like that. I feel like we can't promote that same thing. Um that the Spurs do the same thing. You know what I mean? I'm just
Brother,
not trying
I
to.
saw a tweet kanina about that. Sabi niya, he's gonna be on the ground anyway. Just put him there. Just send him there.
Ah,
So
I get it, man. You know, but, I'm a chill dude. You know, you're not gonna get me on that, but I don't know. It's a really good series, admittedly. Uh, I will
it's
say,
um it's a series na if the Hinebra Ross series has lived up to expectations, this has exceeded
yeah,
expectations.
probably.
Yung OKC San Antonio. Um, this is the worst possible matchup for OKC. Kasi San Antonio beat them 4 out of 5 in the regular season, including in the cup. Tapos, right now, they're forcing you into a game 7 where you know they're not afraid of you.
Yeah,
There were 16 teams in the playoffs. 14 of them, of course, excluding OKC, 14 of them may be afraid of Oklahoma City. 13, I should say, would like to face Oklahoma. Sorry, 13 of them probably would not want to face Oklahoma City. The only teams that want to face Oklahoma City are the San Antonio Spurs and the New York Knicks. The only two teams na remaining pa. I don't think the Knicks are afraid of anyone, to be honest with you. Although I think they lose to whoever wins
yeah.
this series.
That's what I
Pero
said about
brother,
them against Cleveland, but my God, they went 4-0 against Cleveland. You know how
and
crazy it is
all
to
blow
go.
up. Yeah, and
They
all of
game one,
them
they blow.
are
Well,
it was
uh,
in the end they came
uh,
back. But bro, about this series, one more thing. I think the Spurs have more veterans, di ba? Harrison Barnes is a champion. Although I don't know what you get from Harrison Barnes, to be honest with you. But,
championship pick.
probably yung, I don't know. I know. But I don't get it. Pero, Darren Fox played Steph Curry in a series at one time, di ba, in 2023.
Mhm.
He turned out to be great, except that they choked in Game 7. That's fine. I do believe na San Antonio has the edge in Game 7 kasi I don't think OKC expected them to drag them to 7 games. Kaya diniin nila kanina eh. Kaya pinasok nila kanina si J-Dub eh.
Yeah.
Kasi they thought they were hosting the Knicks already on Wednesday and not
Yeah.
playing on
On
Saturday
yeah.
anymore. Saturday evening in OKC. It's not a long distance from San Antonio, so 'di ba, yung travel will not be much of a factor. The only thing that I want San Antonio to do, bring the nuns to Oklahoma City. Bring the nuns to Oklahoma
Just bring
City,
any,
please.
bro. It's gonna be so funny if they actually do bring the Nets to Oklahoma City. Like,
Oklahoma
wow, they
City.
really believe. But hey, man, uh, I'm so scared. I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared for Game 7. I don't know why I'm scared, but alam mo yung like. Me personally, yeah, I'm not an OKC fan, guys. I'm really not an OKC fan. In fact, I despise OKC. I
Mhm.
don't like OKC at all. But it literally feels like it's OKC against the whole NBA right now.
The
That's
whole
what it,
world.
bro. Yeah,
Did
that's
you
what it
see
feels
Ty
like.
Lawson? Nakita ba yung tweet ni Ty
Yeah, ano sabi
Lawson?
niya? Let me check it out.
Pucha, lala ni Ty Lawson. Sabi niya, things I'd rather do than be an OKC fan. So hold on, I'm just gonna pull it up real quick. It's all over Twitter. Um, sabi niya, things I'd rather do than being an an OKC
14.
fan. Parang hold on. Give me one more Oh my God, where's that tweet, man? It's
Wow.
it was all over
Yeah, I saw
it
it,
was
man.
it was all nakita mo na?
Yeah, yeah, I saw it. I saw it here.
'Di ba? It was so
Bro, that's funny, man.
It was so funny.
I don't want to be.
Stick my sabi niya pa stick my
Yeah,
D into
stick his whatever into a blender, bro.
you know
There's just so much hate.
that's
There's
a
so much hate.
that's an ex-pro player by the way saying that.
There's so
So yeah,
much
they
hate
really
right
are
now.
against the world. They're easy to hate. Okay? Bro, alam mo yung 2016, 17, 18, 19 Warriors? Kaya mo sila hate kasi ang galing nila eh. Tsaka nagsama-sama yung mga star.
Yeah.
Diba? So that's a valid reason to hate. Uh, yung OKC, man, it's just the way they play. Nakakainis yung flopping nila. Really hate it. Really, really hate it. And they're proud about it. Especially pag home court nila, their crowd support it. Their crowd chants flopper to Wemby, which is so offensive because Wemby rarely flops. Diba? So,
There was this
I
one play
I
though.
hate it.
There was this one play where
Hinatak niya si,
parang na-shove siya sa likod
ah,
tapos he kind of literally jumped out of the on onto the floor. Do you remember that? I don't remember that.
tambakan na ba yun? I don't know if it's tambakan
Di
na
ko
or
maalala.
not. Hindi
It's
pa.
been a while. It's been a while. I remember it. But yeah, just a short video, guys. By the way, because we're just talking about this OKC San
Bro, one
Antonio.
more thing before we say who we think win. I think the people already know who I
You
got.
want to just make it go? Let's just talk about the NBA in general. You want to go into the Knicks one if ever? Yeah, we have
No,
time.
that's not worth talking about.
Wow.
The only thing worth talking about that is heading into game number 4. I think Coach uh, Kenny Atkinson said we're winning analytically. That's why on Twitter,
I remember that.
game
Yeah. He said,
that's why on
by
Twitter, man.
analytics, we won. We're up 2-1. Sabi
Yeah.
niya, by
That's why
analytics,
on
we're up 2-1.
Twitter tonight is game 6 where the Cavs lead the Knicks 3-2 analytically. So, analytical game 6 on its way in about 12 hours. Pero one more thing about OKC, Chet Holmgren, man, have been you have been a huge letdown in this series. Bro, talong-talo siya ni Isaiah Hartenstein. Tingnan, bumabantay lang sa kayo si Vassell.
Yeah. I think he's been a letdown. The only time he wasn't a letdown was when he dunked the ball on the Lakers after traveling nung game 4.
Bro, I mean, oo nga, nakakainis si Plane. Bro, everyone gets going against the Lakers. You already know that at this point. Pero man, sobrang takot niya kay Wemby, bro. Ayaw niya talaga bantayan si Wemby.
It's hard to defend Wemby, I get it. Pero man, to make Isaiah Hartenstein, I think yung pwede natin sabihin dito is Hartenstein is more disposable than Chet, 'di ba? You'd
Kahit
need
pa, man.
Chet more. But then like, man,
Bro,
defend
there are
defend
only,
or maybe brother, baka balasa yan ni Coach Mark na wow, mo Coach Mark, tropa kami. Pero ni Coach Mark,
ni
take
Coach
note na
Hardagno. Yeah.
in game 7, it's finally gonna be Chet on Wemby.
Good luck with that. I mean, obviously, he cannot defend Wemby. But there are
Good
only,
luck with that. It's so funny.
I'd say, bro, I don't know if it's a hot take. There's probably less than 10 people on Earth who you can say one-on-one can guard Wemby. And
On
Chet
Earth,
on Earth.
I mean, I don't think that's that much. That is that a hot take?
I don't know.
I don't think it's a
I'm
hot
asking
take.
you.
I don't think it's a hot take, man.
That's not a hot take. All right. So there are less than 10 people on Earth who can defend si Wemby
Na
one-on-one.
legal
And
ha?
Chet has to
Legal?
be one of
Like
them. Yes.
legally?
Yeah, and Chet has to be one of them.
You mean in terms of size?
Yeah, I
What do you
know.
mean? Like, what do you mean? Like, in terms of actually being
Like,
able to guard him or having the size and
yeah,
tools to
if
guard
you're
him?
a coach, do not double. My guy has it. My guy has Wemby. He's got him. All right, you don't need to
Can you
double.
name
Chet
10?
has
I
to
don't
be.
even think you can name five.
All right, see? All right, there's less. I can name Chet Holmgren. Wow, Scotty Thompson is a three. I can name Chet Holmgren. I can name
Does Giannis
after the
defend? Does Giannis
okay,
defend
I
him
can
one
name
on one?
Giannis. I can say Anthony Davis. I can say
Boom.
after the recovery, ball manute ball. That's four.
You're such a trash. You're such a piece of trash. It's kind of crazy.
But you can see it. I mean, they were compared to each other, diba? So, um, good luck. Good luck if that's your game plan in Game 7. But the what's going for Oklahoma City is when when you're at home, role players tend to play better. So
Yeah.
you'll see the Kaysen Wallaces, the Vietnamese Jalen Williams, those players. They may and will play better at home, and it's a challenge for San Antonio. The Devin Vassell's, the Julian Champagny. Oh, Champagny's been great in this series. Uh, if
Didn't he
if
have
they
like
can
a
continue
his
there,
best game, like career high? I forgot
kanina
which game that was. Was it
or
Kanina?
Game 5,
Game I
Game
forgot.
5 ata yan, yeah. He's been playing well. So I'm excited. This has been the first Game 7 since 2018 that
What?
I
We had a
have been
game seven in the first
excited.
round.
I know, but this for me yung Game 7 since 2018 na super excited ako. Game 7
Ah,
Celtics Cavs.
akala ko
LeBron
oh my God,
led
I
them to
know
the
that one.
finals.
Yeah, I know that one. That was a good. Then yung was
It
that
was
stare down
conference final.
LeBron? Was that stare down
Yeah, yung
LeBron?
kay
Yeah,
Terry Rozier.
yeah, that was
Yeah.
stare down, bro.
So this is the first Game 7 after that na I'm excited to watch, and I can't wait until Sunday morning.
Yeah. Well, we'll see it all
You got
happen.
winning.
I got. I think I've been pretty honest, man. I don't like OKC. I will say I want San Antonio to win, but I believe OKC probably wins. That's how I'll say it. I want San
I
Antonio to win, but I think
mhm.
OKC wins.
There are times, actually a lot of times na I'd say I'd pick this team, pero I really believe that this team will win. For example, if Ginebra and San Miguel face in Game 7, I'll pick Ginebra, but I think San Miguel will win. This time, I pick San Antonio to win. I think they'll also win.
I
They
see.
have Wemby, man. They already did it in Game 1. I mean, the pressure in
I
Game
got the record.
1 is not comparable to Game 7, but to go into OKC, who hasn't lost a play of game at that point, and barge into their home, double OT, win in Game 1, then I think you have the guts to win it. So I got San Antonio winning in a close game.
Game
It will be
winner?
a letdown. No. Siguro mga 5-point game. Like,
Who makes the
but
clutch
it'll
shot
be a
then?
letdown. Darren Fox.
Yeah, you did say Fox was gonna make shots.
Bro, it's a letdown if tambakan yung Game 7. But I
I
won't
feel
be
like it
if
might be.
if magiging tambakan to, OKC. OKC for sure.
Yeah. But I feel like it might be a tambakan talaga. But
Mga
yeah,
ganun, 13-point game with 2 minutes to go. Mga ganyan. Or
I
more.
think it might be like a 20 something point. Alam mo yung when everyone was excited for Charlotte Orlando dun sa play-in. Tapos when it actually
Yeah.
happened, it was
Lala.
just 35 plus, something to that extent, man.
Ang lala
I don't think it
nun.
happens that way, but I feel like the vibes would feel the same way. But yeah,
Yeah. San
uh,
Antonio has to make the first move sa Game 7.
for sure.
Can't let that crowd is wild. The OKC crowd. They're wild.
For sure. All right. Guys, that's the NBA Western Conference Finals Game 7 preview and prediction or whatever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to join our page, our group, Six Man Podcast / Bench Mob. We'll see. We have our third recording later. Rain or Shine Hinebra game recap. We'll see you guys later. Thanks. Peace.
Adios, amigos.